Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you want to subscribe, there's a little button right about there that you can hit and subscribe right away. And then there's one above my head where there's a picture of myself and my cat, and there's a subscribe button there too. And if you're a YouTube person and you're on YouTube a lot, you know where that subscribe button is. So yeah, welcome. And creating crafts with Ginny is basically ever since I was a little kid. I love to paint. I've enjoyed it all of my life, and so I finally found something that I enjoy so much that I wanted to share with all of you. So that's why I'm here. So, promotional items, that sort of thing. So I came across this 12 color metallic paint, and if you've watched my videos in the past, you know I love glitter and shimmery, shiny stuff. So that's one reason it caught my eye. And it's from US Air Supply. US Air. US, that's why I get for reading upside down. US Art Supply. So inside the box is some pretty colors here. Box open. Inside the box there's a carat gold metallic, there's a silver dollar metallic, there's a copper penny, that'd be pretty, midnight black metallic pearl, that sounds pretty. There's a luster white, and these are all pearl. So luster white, place gold, artistic gold, deep brown, there's coffee brown, and a I guess I'm trying to read upside down, good lord. Gunmetal, gray, metallic, and coffee brown. I think I said that one. Okay. Anyway, a lot of browns and golds. So, and they also sent a color wheel. Color wheels are a good thing to have. You can see what kind of colors, if you put them together, how they will react to each other. As you can see, I have my big one back here. So they come in handy. So basically you got some pretty good sized tubes of paint here. So I'm going to grab some of these and we're just going to throw on the canvas here and let's see how they do. Get them all out here and see which ones do we want down here. Ooh, that's gorgeous. How about that one? Do that one. Let's do the gold and we'll do the white. That's similar to it. Let's see, what do I want to pick? Copper? Okay, we'll do these colors. Alright, let's see what we can do with that. Okay, and as you guys have known, if you've watched the last couple of videos, I am hooked on this stuff here for my medium pour. It's water-based, so it won't turn things yellow. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's going to turn yellow. No, it won't. And it's a clear gloss. It's a varnish. I think that's what they call it. Yeah. But anyway, I'm really enjoying working with them, and they're beautiful paint. Well, this is what I did the other day with the varnish paint, and it is absolutely... Just make sure it gets into the cameras here. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's just beautiful. Let's see if you can see that down through there. Look at the shine. Now I have lights on my cameras, but it is absolutely beautiful. Okay. So I think I'll mix some paints together. I think I'll use this old thing here. I'm just going to do some pouring, a whole lot of paint down here, and see how we do. Man, those colors are gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to mix it with some of the polyurethane and 4 cups. I guess I could use smaller cups. Use smaller cups. That's right. Alright, let's see what we got here. I did that one. And yeah, the ones that I'm going to use are this Placer Gold. Isn't that pretty? You see that? And then I have a dark brown black there. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see with the shiny on there. Copper, and I got this luster white, and they're all pearls, so it should be pretty. This is actually, when you see these sets, it's a good way to get colors that you know will most likely go together. Sometimes it's hard to pick. It's like, well, what color should I put together and stuff like that will look good. You know, it's something kind of different, that sort of thing. So that's a good way to do that. Alright, let's see. I'm going to put a lot, since I got this big cup, I'm going to put a lot of this in that gold. Let's stir these up. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Good consistency and no water. I mean, I could put some water in it, but it's nice and thick. That black. Ooh. I think I would like for them to be a little bit runnier. Just let me try a little bit of water with it. Let's see which one. Let's see. There we go. Just a little bit. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. Probably put too much water. What do you think? Yeah, maybe not. Stir them up pretty good. Okay, so what do I want to do here? I think I'm going to put, okay, so I got this guy here. I'm going to put this gold down here. And maybe another color down there with it. A little bit. I think I'm going to flood my canvas because I think this paint might need White needed. Oh, I got a bunch of silver up here. This is mixed with Flittrol. Let's flood the canvas with this. Let that here. Let's do some black. Some up here. And the rest of it kind of all over the place down here. All right. There we go. The gold that I'm using is, I think it's gold. Ha! The silver that I'm using is, it's the Artist Loft silver. It's pretty. And it looks like a lot of paint, and it is. Okay. I just kind of want to see what all this pouring is going to do, so here we go, guys. I wish you guys could see. Here we go. Oh, goodness. It's really thick coming out there. This may take a while to dry. And look, gorgeous. The bowl always comes out the prettiest. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Okay, now what to do with it? I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer, but I'm going to be very... I don't know what I'm going to be. It looks cool. Alright, here we go. Let's try this method. Let's just run it around here and see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. My goodness. And the one time I don't put my smock on. Oh my goodness. Or gloves. Eh. Look at that. Oh my lord. Let's see if I can. Let's drip it all over me. There we go. I was going to put a thing underneath it, which I... Here it is. I'm speechless. I honestly, which is rare. Goodness gracious. I mean, the colors, I mean, I don't know if you can see the shiny, I mean, it's just so pretty. I mean, goodness gracious. You know what? I mean, I just like the way it is. I mean, it's just really pretty. Bubbles popping up there, or pink globs on the two. The good thing about paint is once it starts to dry, if it's got bubbles, usually they'll pop on their own. But look at the little cells though. Look at them. My gosh. I love the copper. Look at that. I mean, it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like marble. I mean, I don't know how it will dry. I think it will dry as shiny as it currently is. I mean, I could always put, you know, like I said, like your shiny top coats on it or something like that. I don't think I'm going to need to. I think it looks, the way it looks right now, hopefully when it dries it will look much like this. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's just shiny and sparkly, and I don't even think I want to throw more, glitter on it, but I really don't need to. I mean, look at this. Let's see if you can see this area right here is just absolutely amazing. You can see it at the, well, here. YouTube is making it very easy for people to subscribe. Used to be able to like subscribe, ring the bell, da 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 da. And I just poof, one button. There you go. All right. Well, I'm going to get off here, and I'll see you soon. And go out there and be great and be awesome. Do your thing.